Hello, and welcome to How to Lead a Safe Routes to School Left Turn Drill. This video is part of a series on how to teach the City of Portland's middle school bike safety curriculum, a collaboration between the Portland Bureau of Transportation and the Street Trust. In this video, we will review how to set up the drill before the class, how to approach and organize students before the drill, and what to look for while conducting the drill. When setting up the drill, you will need 8 cones and chalk. Grab your supplies and head out to the intersection. Identify where the stop signs are located at the intersection you are using. For this drill, a 4-way or 2-way stop is preferred. The next step is to chalk up your drill. Mark your wait lines about 15 to 20 yards from the stop sign. The line should be about 3 feet long. Place a cone at the end of the line. If there is a car in the way, place the wait line directly behind the car so it can leave if needed. Be sure to make the wait line just long enough to peek around the car. The stop lines should stretch the length of the lane and stop should be clearly written. Be sure not to make the stop line unless there is a real stop sign at that part of the intersection. Unless, of course, you are using an intersection without stop signs. Then make a false stop line on the quieter street. When bringing students to the intersection, try to bring them to a road that does not have a stop sign. This will allow you to disperse the students quickly. Have the students stop at the wait line and wait with them for the entire class to arrive. Split the class into 4 groups and instruct the first group to ride with you to a different wait line and instruct the leader of the next group to stay and wait at the original wait line. As you make your U-turn into the wait line, announce to the students what you are doing. Once the students are stopped at the wait line, explain the logistics of the drill. Repeat this process until every group is set up. Now, find your spot at the intersection and start the drill. Watch the students for safety and for skills building. When monitoring for safety, make sure the students are shoulder checking before U-turns and displaying a general awareness when entering intersections. If students are confused by directions or if you need to redirect them, ask them to stop on the side of the road so you can get close and speak to them with a quieter voice. When assessing skills building for left turns, students will struggle with 3 things: conducting a shoulder check, taking the lane sufficiently, and signaling left twice. Shoulder checks need to be thorough and happen early enough to spot traffic. Next, they must take the lane. Students struggle with understanding where that occurs. Explain to them that it is just to the right of the middle of the road. Sometimes getting on your bike and riding in the lane can be helpful. Check to make sure students are signaling twice. Once to announce that they are taking the lane and leaving the right side of the road, and another time to announce that they are making a turn. When using a 2-way stop, students will struggle with when to stop and when to go. Students aren't used to looking for stop signs, so they might stop when they don't need to, or worse, continue riding when they need to stop. Some students also might struggle with knowing when to safely cross traffic when cross traffic doesn't have a stop sign. Encourage them when to go by counting how long it takes a vehicle to cross their path. At the end of the drill, stop every line and direct each line to turn down the same street. Once every student is in line, head back to the school. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we hope that it helps you pull off a great left turn drill. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series for informative and helpful tips on the other drills in this curriculum. And don't forget, it's alpaca, not llama.